This is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2005 Mazda 3, stock number 6113. This ran from the 10th 2003 to the 06 2006. It has an LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch alloy mag tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 2 dents and a scratch, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,